Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace.
I am back in the house. I passed by Pizza Inn. I was not feeling well, so I went to the chemist to get some meds, which I did, and I already took one. So I got this. Sijui is in nini, honestly, but this was to stop diarrhea, and I took 2, and I've not diarrheaed anymore. So I have not eaten anything from morning. So I thought, because I'm not diarrheaing, yeah, why not get pizza? So I passed by Pizza Inn because it's Tuesday. It's terrific Tuesday. So I passed by there and got pizza. So at least nitakula. Now in case things go wrong, I'm in the house. I have a toilet. Anyway, so the Pizza Inn offers ilikuwa inakuja na the 1.25 soda truly. At kama ni economy. Kwa nini what is this? Nikadonyele. It's the 1 liter. Ilikuwa inakuja na the 1.25. Na walinipea hii 1 liter kidogo niwaambie si hiyo napeangwa. Anyway, I think they changed it. Because ya bei. Na waliongeza bei ya pizza. I don't. Anyway, sawa. I'm flowing. So I'm flowing. I was sick. Alafu midterm imeisha. Merudi kazi. Yani leo ilikuwa a long day. It was a long day. So I just wanted to do some retail therapy, and of course my skincare imeisha. So I went to restock on the skincare. I get them from True Cosmetics, the one in Westlands, na kuna one in Sarit. So I got the sunscreen. This is the sunscreen that I use, the 50 SPF BioBalance. So that's it. Yeah, skincare is expensive as fuck. I don't recommend it. If you have good skin, I envy you. Like if you have good skin without like doing anything, I envy you. Anyway, use this moisturizer, the simple one. I like all the simple products. I just like them. So I use this one. Yeah, and I still have kidogo vitamin C. So I didn't get the vitamin C, but she convinced me to get alpha abitin, but hii hata sijui ni company gani, like this, the magic drops. Ninaogopa hata kutumia hii cause the last time I was at True Cosmetics and they convinced me to buy something, ziliniharibikia zote, and 8k down the drain ikaenda hivyo because I could not use those things. But this is fragrance free, so ninajembia hii ingine it's because it has like perfume, and I clearly don't respond well to that. But this is also a cosmetic product, and hizi zingine ni like they are dermatologically tested. Hawajaniambia hii imekuwa tested hivyo hapa, so I don't trust it, but we'll see. I'll tell you how it goes. I think that's it. That's all I got. Nah, I'm very broke. Send help. I'm just from bathing. Naman nimeparara na nimeosha the eyebrows off. Nimesahau ilikuwa imepakwa 13th. Anyway, just thought I should do the nighttime skincare, which is nothing. It's just a simple moisturizer wash that I have not shown you, but nimewambia jina ya. And I'll now start using this, the alpha abitin ya magic drops. Puna niombe Mungu wangu. Yeah, this and just moisturizer. Yeah, so nishatumia the wash. Nimeparara aki niko na njaa. Yani I'm hungry. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start with 4. Start with 4 drops. The drop thingy is nice. It's actually like ni kanono vizuri, kanashikika vizuri.
Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't want to say.
Achini niwaambie nimeenda kubuy the easy products. Oof, nimesahau the neck. Nimeenda kubuy the product, yeah? And then the cashier ananiambia ati umechukua sunscreen gani? Unafaa kuchukua the mattifying one. Kiniambia wewe ni oily skin, kwambia ya. Unafaa kuchukua the mattifying one. Jio ni acne prone na nimeona uko na black spots, kuna acne. Nikasirisha hivyo. Nikasirisha hivyo. Thanks. Sikuwa najua niko na acne. Anyway, she was just trying to help, obviously. But like I was having such a long day. Ebu acha kuniambia mambo ya acne yangu. Siko kwa uso ya nani? Yangu kwa uso. Yani si kwa mgongo. Si ati ni mali I can miss it. Ndio hii. On the face, yeah? I can see it. Anyway. I'm flowing. Can you see? Hey. How I love being a woman. It's actually not even sticky like vitamin C. So I'll be using this at night. And then the vitamin C. So walikuwa wameanza kutumia. And then the vitamin C in the morning. In the morning. Skincare is so expensive, but every time I like restock the skincare, I'm so happy. Like ninashika container tu ndio hii hivi imejaa. Wewe. I feel so nice. The other one is here, it's empty. Yani inakaa hohehahe. Maskini hohehahe. You know, I usually say anaitwa Hailey Bieber. It's Hailey Bieber. I don't know. Her skin is so nice. Na akijipaka vidole zake tu, everything is just nice. I don't even understand how people hate on her. Anakaa tu a girl. Yani she's so feminine. I want to be that feminine. I'm a Hailey. Like Hailey, the girlfriend to DDG. Soft spoken. Sikia sasa hapo naongea aje. Nimekuja hivi, ni udaku na wapea. I want to be feminine. Anyway, nimemaliza na udaku yangu na kuongea yangu, hata I'm not soft spoken. Siwezi anza kuongea hi, yeah. And boyfriend yangu akiniambia kitu, niache kumwambia kwani umechizi? Niache kukaa tunataka kupigana na kwa I don't do that. You lead. Mimi nataka kimbelembele. Hey, kimbelembele. Hey. See, shut up. Learn to shut up. Take it from me. As this is an example, learn to shut up. Anyway, that's it. That's the night, whatever, routine. Good night. Nimenakula pizza sasa. Alafu nianze kuteta because ya venye ninanona as I eat pizza. Yeah? Yeah. Adulting is not it. It's not it. Hello. I am at home. Okay, I just got ready, going back to my place. Today it's Sunday at around almost 4. I'm going back to my place. I was here for the weekend. Now, as always, nimefanya shopping in my mom's house. So nikona like waru, ndoma, ndizi, avocados, carrots. Yeah, remember all that. So I need to call an Uber. God, it's me again. I need a car. Thank you. Amen. Yeah, it's so expensive getting an Uber from here mpaka back to my place, but hakuna any other means of transport, guys. Like nikiwa na hiyo mzigo, I just have to, cause there's no way nina bebana nazo kwa mat and I'm alone and they're heavy AF. So Yeah, I usually feel so nice coming back home, like being in my own room, niko peke yangu, namka saa 6. Nauliza utakula nini breakfast? Kuna lunch? What do you want? Nashanga both. It's so nice. Sasa nimerudi tomorrow, back to work. Yeah, because this adulting thing does not end. When do we get a break? We don't, do we? Anyway, yeah. Just wanted to update you. That is what is going on. So let's go.
I get lucky, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love you, see the way we live. I do the world I'm seeing. We are nobody who do over. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the bold that they bar? That's how they move my shit. And then I really put it too far. Midnight was that she got. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. Come here, 'cause it's time. Hold you for life.
Hello, I just got home. In case you have not noticed, hi, hey, tomboy. Anyway, the microphone is working. Kesho ni a holiday. I was sad, so we got pizza. I got pizza. Now I waited for 2 hours, like 1.5 to 2 hours, because tumefika huko and then sijui the cheese maker ama something spoiled, ama broke down. Na hawangeza, it was just frustrating. Anyway, I did a bit of shopping and we have some unboxing to do. Tuanze na gani? The lights went off. Natumia flash ya simu na. Anyway, this is what I got. The pizza comes with a soda. Nimesahau hata kuongea. I'm so hungry. And then I got crisps. I got 2 of those, and my boyfriend also got me crisps. I got gantia. Got this to make hot dogs. Kesho, cause it's a holiday. Hakuna job. Got bacon for breakfast. Mna imagine, in my previous vlog, nilikuwa nimefanya a shopping haul and I had bought sausages and bacon. Stima zikapotea. Mimi nikaenda nyumbani weekend. Nakuja, fridge ilikuwa off. Hata sikuwa nakumbuka. Anyway, zilikuwa zimeharibika zote guys. Nilitupa bacon na sausages. It's okay, we have bacon. Now we have bacon. Isn't it the other crisps? Oh my god, actually niwaambie, I barely do anything for my hair, but I just wanted shampoo and conditioner. Nikaenda kununua, nilikuwa nataka ya mikala. Nikaenda kubae. Hakuna the small ones. The hell? Sasa this is like 560 moja, and I had to get 2. Sijasikia uchungu hivyo. Anyway, got the shampoos. This is the shampoo and the conditioner. And then the hot dogs, for the hot dog, of course. And then this sponge cake, because it was on offer and I love it. And what else? Hakuna kitu ingine kwa hiyo bag. And then this bag, this one, this is just my scarf. Nilikuwa nimeenda hiyo kazi kama nimedress to. Okay, nilikuwa warmly dressed. Anyway, sabuni, the cheapest you could find. So bathing soap and then leave-in treatment. Mnaona nilikuwa natafuta this size.
Yummy Color, the shampoo and conditioner, this size. Is this too much to ask for? Because mi najua tu zitaharibika. I don't do anything for my hair. Clearly, ndo maana iko hivi. Lotion for men, and then this deo for men also. My boyfriend Ali ordered this from Oraimo, some AirPods. Let me get rid of this and then show you this. Hakuna kitu ingine iko hapa. I had carried this for breakfast. This bread, it's like sweet bread na iko na like chocolates, and I was not able to finish it. So nimekuja boyfriend yangu amalize because apparently alikula hiyo ingine yote. Anyway, it's nice, but like I can't have too much of it. Let me clear this and then show you. Let's do the unboxing. Yeah,
The lights are back clearly, so naweza kula pizza directly from the microwave. Anyway, these are the deliveries that I got. There's this, and then there's this. Easy ni vacuum cleaners, the cordless one. How is this two? Because I expected like something big. Anyway, let's see. Let's start with my boyfriend's pods. He bought pods from Oraimo and had them delivered to the office. So this is it. In the badless, ni the earbuds actually. Okay, so let's pick this up. Here it is. Here we go. So this is it. The manual. I'm gonna need the guide. Oh, they look nice. They actually look nice. Oraimo. Zinakaa so nice. Tunafunguaje? Okay. This is translucent, like the whatever. Nataka. What's this? Oh, zinasema ziko 100% charged. Nice. Oh, they don't have the sausage in here left in it, right? Acha nivae baby. Sijui hiyo ni side gani. I'm not sure. Come on your side. Come on in your side. Guy, the lights are out again. Tumerudi kutumia flash ya simu. Anyway, those are the pods. Na hizi ni extra buds. And also comes with a charger. They look so nice. I actually want that now. So I also got this. And tunasema ni a vacuum cleaner. I got mine and my mom's delivered to my place, to the office, because it's easier, and then I'll just take it to her. Oh, this is it. Mbona wamechora gari? Because I don't have a car. So, has a sofa. So this is it. Nikadunyele. Ouch. Okay. Pretty sure it needs to be assembled. This. I'm not sure kama inafanya hivyo. And I don't know where this goes. Maybe. And what's this? Okay, I think you can change like this nozzle, and you can change it to this nozzle. And then ikiwa charged, because it comes with the charger and a manual. Yeah, in a manual. And then charge, you just okota the uchafus, yeah? So that's why kumbe it's this tiny. Anyway, got this and the pods. Yeah, so let's now eat pizza. I don't think there's anything else left, so hopefully stima zikuje so that I can now eat. My phone is at like 6% at this point, I'm at 7%. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.